Hello, it's Amber here, and today we are going to be learning to play Breakfast at Tiffany's by Deep Blue Something. Now this is a throwback for me. I used to play this song at high school concerts and it was always such fun to play. Now in the lesson I'm going to be teaching you only 3 chords and I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways to play the song depending on your level. So if you're just starting out or you're up for a challenge, I've got something for you today. So let's get started. So let's get started by checking out the intro and the verse of the song. So those 3 chords we're going to need in the right order. We have a D major, followed by a G major, and then we have an A major. Now the D major is going to get 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. The G major and the A major are between brackets, and this means they're going to share the 4 counts. So the G will get 2 counts, 1, 2, and the A major will get the other 2 counts, 3, 4. And that is the entire chord sequence. So we have D for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the G, 1, 2 to the A, and repeats. D, 2, 3, 4 to the G, to the A. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, and the A. One more time. D, 2, 3, 4, G, to the A. So that is our verse and our intro, if we're playing it really easy with just down strums. This is level 1 of the easiest way to play the song, right? So the next thing we're going to look at is the chorus, and just get those chords under our fingers. The chorus, we have our D major for 4 down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the A and the G chord are going to switch around. So we have the A chord first for 2 strums. 1, 2, and then to our G for 2 counts. So in total, the chorus is going to sound like this from the D chord. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the A, to the G, and the D chord, 2, 3, 4. A and then to the G chord, back to the D, 2, 3, 4, and the A to the G, one more time, and the D chord, 2, 3, 4, the A to the G. So as I've mentioned, that is level 1. That is the most simplified way that you can get away with playing the song. We're just going to be focusing on those down strums and making sure that your chord changing hand is nice and strong. So if you are just starting out and this is a song you've really wanted to play for a long time, then this is where I would suggest you begin with just those down strums. So you don't really have to think too much about what your strumming hand is doing. And then you can really focus on those chord changes, right? So there we go, that's level 1. Let's check out level 2. So for level 2, we are going to be introducing a strumming pattern. And it is our favorite strumming pattern for beginner guitarists. It sounds like this: down, down, up, down, up. And we count this: 1, 2, and 4, and. Now what this pattern does is it gives the song more movement and musical flow. So what we're going to do is try it out on the verse. So our verse chords, we have that D, we have our G, and our A. The D major is going to get the entire pattern: down, down, up, down, up. And then the G chord and the A chord are going to share the pattern. The G will get the first 2 down strums, and then the A will get the up, down, up. All right, so we're changing on an upbeat. 1, 2, and 4, and. So in total, for the verse: D, down, down, up, down, up, G, A, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, up. If we add a little bit of singing so you can hear how this would all flow together. You'll say we got nothing in common. apart from, we're falling apart. And if we try that on the chorus, it's going to be the same thing. Our D major will get one full round of the strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up. And then the G and the A are going to be switched around and they're going to split the pattern. So our A will get the first 2 down strums, followed by the G, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. So the chorus will sound like this, taking it from the beginning of the chord sequence. And I said, what about Breakfast at Tiffany? She said, I think I remember the film, and as I recall, I think we both kind of liked it. And I said, well, that's the one thing we've got. So that strumming pattern really works so well in the song, especially if you just want to sit down, pick up your guitar, and play this for friends and family, or sing along to the song, right? It's easy. We only have those 3 chords. We have that really relaxed strumming pattern that still gives the song that movement that it needs, but it's not going to exhaust you. Now, just some pre-warning here. We're going to jump into learning level 3, which is the most difficult and more advanced strumming pattern. It is a 16th note strumming pattern, and your strumming arm is going to work. It's going to work really hard, okay? So if this is something you're interested in learning, or at least giving it a go and trying, then we're going to go in for a close-up to learn this 16th note strumming pattern. Great, so we've zoomed in and we're going to be learning the original strumming pattern, which is based on what we call 16th notes, okay? It means we're going to be counting like this: 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. Now, don't worry if that sounds a bit intense. I'm going to break it down for you nice and slowly. So let's have a look. What we're going to do is we're going to mute our strings. So you're going to take your fretting hand and you're just going to block the sound of your strings by squeezing them down gently on the fretboard. So this is going to give your strings a muted sound, okay? Now let's first get into the swing of a 16th note strumming pattern. We're going to be counting it and strumming it with downs and ups. 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. So we're just going down and up. See how my strumming arm is just swinging back and forth. 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. Okay, so that's if we are strumming every single beat of a 16th note strumming pattern. Now, we don't really want to do that, otherwise the song is going to sound like this. Okay, and it's going to just sound really busy and noisy without any musicality. So in order to create musicality, we have to remove a few of the strums. Okay, so the rhythm that we're going to be playing instead, again with muted strings, is going to sound like this: down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And notice how my strumming hand was going back and forth like a pendulum, but I was only hitting the strings on certain beats for certain downs and certain ups. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. So just get comfortable with that pattern. Now the D major chord is going to get one whole pattern to itself. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. When we change to our G major chord, it's going to get the down, up. So it will get the first 3 strums. And then we're going to change. All right, because remember the 2 chords the G and the A are between brackets, so they have to share the strumming pattern. Okay, so again from the G to the A. And in succession, the entire thing is going to sound like this. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up. And a little bit faster. And finally, to really make the song pop and sound like the original track, I'm going to show you the embellishments that are used with the strumming pattern. So it's going to sound like this first. Okay, so all the embellishments are happening on that D major chord. And there are going to be some tabs up on the screen to guide you with this. So we have our D major. We are going to be alternating between a D sus2, where we lift our middle finger, and then a D sus4, where we add our pinky into the 3rd fret of the high E string. So you might want to just get comfortable changing back and forth between those 3 chords. We have a D, D sus2, and we have a D sus4. And just get used to changing back and forth between those shapes. Our brain needs to connect to a finger so that you know when to lift the correct finger. I often will see students, especially when they're starting out, they want to lift their middle finger, but their first finger keeps popping off the string, or they're lifting their ring finger off by mistake. So that really does require brain to finger coordination. So by starting off by just getting that brain to finger connection is going to help you when we start adding in that strumming pattern. So we're going to start on a D major, and we're going to do the down, up, up. When we hit that next down strum, we're going to play a D sus2. Okay, and then we're going to go back to a D. So we have down, up, down, up. Okay, it's highlighted for you on the screen where we lift that middle finger off. The next thing we need to do is add our pinky for a D sus4. And that's going to happen on the 4th beat at the end of that pattern. It's also highlighted up on the screen. And then we remove it for the last 3 strums. So in total, faster. And then that's followed by the G to the A. So I tend to use that embellishment during the verse and the intro. When we hit the chorus, remember the chorus, the chords change the sequence. We go D, A, G. I tend to leave the embellishment out during the chorus, just so that we give our listener a bit of a break, so that they're not constantly being bombarded or hit by that embellishment over and over again. I keep the embellishment just for the verses, and then for the chorus, when the chord sequence changes, I just leave the embellishment out. So you'll notice that in my play along. Now there's one more thing we're going to look at today, and it's that really fun instrumental riff that we hear in the song. So it's going to sound something like this. It's really easy and actually a lot of fun to play. So we have 3 open Gs. And we're going to be playing in 2nd position. And all this means is that our first finger is going to be owning the 2nd fret, our 2nd finger is going to own the 3rd fret, and our 3rd finger is going to own the 4th fret. And as you can see in this song, we're only playing in the 4th fret and the 2nd fret. So that means our third and first fingers are going to be doing all the work. Okay, this is just going to mean we have neat fingers when we play. So again, we have open G 3 times. We're going to play 4th fret on the D, and we're going to play 2nd fret on the D and open string D. Those are the first few notes. That first finger is then going to go up to the 2nd fret on the A, open D, 4th fret, A, 2nd fret, open D, 4th fret. First finger is going to play the 2nd fret on the D, and we have an open D. And all together, okay, and I want you to really take notice of how neat my fingers were when I played that. I wasn't playing with just one finger sliding up and down. Okay, you can obviously do that, it just won't look very good and it's developing bad habits. Okay, we've been blessed with lots of fingers on our hand, so why not make use of them? It means you can also play faster. Okay, and it's neat and it looks great. So now that we've learned all the different parts of the song, what we're going to be doing next is a mini playthrough of those sections. So let's get into it. So get ready on that D major. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll say we've got nothing in common. To start from, we're falling apart. You'll say the world has come between us, our lives have come between us. Still I know you just don't care. And I said, what about Breakfast at Tiffany? She said, I think I remember the film, and as I recall, I think we both kind of liked it. And I said, well, that's the one thing we've got. I think I remember the film, and as I recall, I think we both kind of liked it. And I said, well, that's the one thing we've got. And that is how you play Breakfast at Tiffany's. If you enjoyed the lesson, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps in supporting what I do over here. And if you're wanting to advance in your guitar progress and level up your guitar playing skills, then go ahead and check out my guitar courses. They're linked below this video. And until next time, I cannot wait to see you in another Stellar Guitarist song tutorial. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.